Since that day, Charlotte hasn't been the same. You've probably noticed in the last video that as time went by, she slowed down and she became more and more tired, and her dance moves weren't the same anymore. I think the salty seawater was slowly eating her inside. And one day, she simply stopped. I thought I would still take her around and show you where she's been, even if she wasn't dancing anymore. And I thought I was gonna find a way to eventually bring her back to life. Then one day, holy, I'm gonna miss her so much. I mean, we've been to so many places together. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's still 10 months to go in this monkey year. Look at her. She's not the same anymore. I thought I would keep taking her around and show you where she's been, even if she's not the same anymore, but it's only making me sadder.